In this day and age, when many of us back up our iOS devices directly to the iCloud servers, there still are people that doesn't buy the $1 50GB iCloud storage to do so, or don't trust anything else but their own computers and hardware. At the same time, macOS operating systems are upgraded each year, and nothing seems to be visually the same anymore. And the backups we made earlier on iTunes are now made differently because of the iTunes disappearing for good. Right now we have just the music app that replaced the default multifunctional iTunes application. So iTunes is no more, and to do backups we need to do it through the Finder app. But first of all, let's start on the Windows side of backing up your iOS device. First thing you need to do is to open your web browser, search for iTunes, click on the Download iTunes Apple Support site, and depending on which Windows do you have, Windows 32-bit or Windows 64-bit version. I have a 64-bit version, so I will download this file. After that, we just need to install it. Click Next, click Install, click Yes. And after iTunes has been installed, just click Finish. And now it says you must restart your system for the configuration changes made to iTunes to take effect. Click Yes. So just open the iTunes, click Agree for the first time, and now we're in. So the next step will be to get your iOS device. I have here the iPhone 6s. Just plug it in to the USB port. And now it says that you need to trust this computer. Just click Trust here on your device. Enter your passcode and do the same here and click Continue. And it detects your new iPhone. Just click Continue. Sync with iTunes. Get started. And here you are. This is the iPhone 6s and it starts already syncing, doing the backup. Let's wait for the backup to complete. So after you open the iTunes program and you connect your iPhone, it should appear here as a little device symbol. You just click the symbol here and then it opens up your iOS device profile. Everything that you used to do on your Mac earlier, that is still available here in Windows. So if you need to back up, you need to see this window here. Backups. You can back up to your iCloud, but as I mentioned, right now we're backing up this iPhone on this computer. So click this computer and just click Backup Now. Click Backup, and there it shows here the backing up process for the iPhone 6s. Depending on how much files do you have on your phone, it will take a while. But you need to go through this process till the end, and after that, when you connect your new iOS device and go to backups here, now you need to click Restore from Backup. The computer detects the latest backups you have on your PC, and you just choose your backups after that. So it's backing up for the first time, and it will be the very first backup file on this Windows system. I'll be right back after the backup completes. And after the backup process has been completed, and you see the latest backup is today at 11:47 to this computer, and you have a new iOS device, just connect the new iOS device to your computer, and again you will need to click on the little icon here and you are back to your other iOS device. This is only the example. Just click here, Restore Backup. After you click Restore Backup, it warns you that Find My iPhone or the new Find My must be turned off before iOS 6s can be restored. So now let's try a fresh iPhone SE, and we'll try to restore this iPhone SE from the iPhone 6s backup that we just made. So let's eject, click this eject button, let's eject this iPhone 6s. Now we can unplug it. So now just connect the iPhone SE, and again what we need to do is click Trust, enter our passcode if needed, and click Continue on your computer. After a moment, we see the phone icon appear again. Just click on it and we see this is the iPhone SE 64GB. And after you connect your new iPhone out of the box or an older one that you want to restore from the backup you just made, it should ask you to update your iPhone software because the backup was made from the iPhone that has a newer iOS version. So even the newest iPhone 12 Pros can come with a factory lower iOS version. So Here you can see this iPhone SE has an iOS 14.1, but the backup was made from iOS 14.3. So before you restore your iPhone from your just freshly made backup, it will just ask you to update your new iPhone's iOS software first. So now that your iPhone has been updated to the latest iOS, just click on it, and only now you can see the restore backup button appear. So just click on it, and here you can choose I backed up both iPhone 6s and iPhone SE. And now if you want to restore your iPhone SE to look like iPhone 6s with all the background images, all the applications, all the settings, everything, you just click on iPhone 6s and just click restore. After that, the restore process will build everything to look like your iPhone 6s. So that's the backup on Windows. Let's move on to macOS. As I already mentioned, starting from 2019 and macOS Catalina, Apple removed the iTunes app, the main app where we manually managed our music and backed up our iOS devices. A new app called Music has replaced iTunes and is responsible only for listening to music or stream Apple Music. The place where we manage our iOS devices now is the Finder app. So first step on backing up your iPhone or any other iOS device is to open up the Finder app, plug in your iOS device that you want to back up, the iPhone 6s again, and after a moment you see that on the locations iPhone 6s appears. Usually that was always the case when opening the iTunes app, but as I mentioned, iTunes is no more. There's only a music app, so everything now goes from the Finder window. After you plugged in your iPhone, just click iPhone 6s, and the same goes here. Just click Trust on your computer first, and after you click Trust on your computer, Trust prompt shows up on the iPhone 6s. Just click Trust, enter your device passcode, and you're good to go. And you see the same visuals here as you saw on the Windows side. And now see the same options. Back up your most important data on your iPhone to iCloud, but we choose the backup all data on your iPhone to this Mac. So right now we need to click Back Up Now. After that, we will choose the backup if we want to set up a new iOS device and restore it to the previously just freshly made backup. So click Backup Now, and it starts to back up the iPhone 6s. After the backup will complete, I'll return back. And after backup has been completed, you go back to the Finder window, to your left side panel, and by the locations to the iPhone 6s, click this eject button here. Click on it and it disappears. Now we can safely unplug the iPhone 6s and choose our iPhone SE as an example. That could be anything, the newest iPhone 12, 12 Pro, and just connect it to your computer like that. It's connected. Now we go back to the Finder window, and now we can see that it shows iPhone SE has been connected. The same, click on iPhone SE, click Trust on your computer. After you click Trust on your computer, click Trust on your iPhone SE. Enter the device passcode if prompted. And now we have full access and can choose either to back up or restore from backup. So now if this is a new fresh device, we just click Restore from backup, restore backup here. And it shows last backed up today, and the only backup that appears here is just made backup from the iPhone 6s. After that, just click the restore button and the restore process will start. And after a while, you will see your iPhone SE or your any iOS device you connected. Everything will appear just like on iPhone 6s. All the applications, the background image, all the settings, etc. So now you know how to back up and how to restore your iPhone the old style way on the Windows and on the Mac OS. Thank you for watching. And if you like this video, subscribe to this channel and my Instagram profile @TakeYouThrough as well. Take care and let's meet in the next episode of Take You Through.